Good morning, my dear student. Welcome back in online class of Bal Sadhana Group of Institution. Myself, Parveen Chaudhary, TGT Social Science in Bal Sadhana Public School, Hudagod ji. Yesterday we discussed about the two independent state of South India, Vijayanagar and Bamni Empire. So at that times, Bhakti movement also rise in the Maharashtra, Punjab, and South India. In this term, a new religions develop, and this religion is the Sikhism. In first, Buddhism, Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, both were the main religion of India. When the Bhakti movement started in the 13th century, 13th century or 15th century, many new religion come to existence. In these terms, Sikhism was new, and this was founded by first Sikh Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Before the establishment of Sikhism, Punjab ruled by Muslims. The Muslim ruler established religious state where the Muslim were accorded the highest status while Hindu were treated as the second class status. The policy of religious intolerance and fascinations of the Delhi Sultanate gave rise to conflict. The constructions of mosque in place of temple was common practice. An atmosphere of intolerance and hate was getting denser. In such an atmosphere, Guru Nanak Dev was established a new religion named Sikh religion. So today we discuss about the rise and development of Sikhism. In this term, we studied about the 10 Sikh Guru. So, in first, we studied about the Guru Nanak Dev and Guru Angad. So, let's start our topic Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Guru Nanak Dev was born on 15th April 1469 AD at the place of Talwandi. Talwandi at present Nankana Sahib in Pakistan. Before the independence, this is the part of India. And the Guru Nanak died on 22 September 1539 at Kartarpur, Pakistan. He was the founder of Sikhism and he was the first Sikh Guru. Punjab, so let's Punjab before the Sikhism. You know, Sikhism mostly developed in the Punjab and Haryana. And the people of Punjab is Sikh. There was Punjab before the Sikhism, means before the development of Sikhism, Punjab ruled by Muslim rulers. There was Muslim rule in Punjab in 13th century. Muslim ruler practiced communal policies. Muslim were given higher status and Hindu were given as second class status. Constructions of mosque by replacing temple was common practice, and there was environment of intolerance and hate in society, because all the people means Muslim give the importance to Muslim peoples, not to Hindu peoples. In these terms, Hindu temple were destroyed, and in place of Hindu temple, mosques were built. Guru Nanak Dev was born on 15th April 1469 at Talwandi. He got married to Sulaksana Devi. He was inclined spiritualism. Nanak traveled across entire India to promote the concept all women are of same caste, means he traveled across entire India to promote the concept of all women are of same caste. In means मनुष्य जात सभी एक. The travels initiated by Guru Nanak are known as Udasiyan. These travels to promote the concept of women are of same caste, and these travels are known as Udasiyan. He was the founder of Sikhism. He was the become first Sikh Guru. Now, main important, and one of them, Guru Nanak. Guru Nanak Dev. Guru Nanak Dev teaching faith in one God, worship and importance of name, importance or greatness of Guru. He stressed on performing pure action on and social reform. He opposed the caste and color discrimination. He said, caste does not matter. What matter are action of individual. And he also opposed the casteism and mostly emphasized on doing good deeds. He said, कर्म दे होने नेवड़े जाति कैसी किसी पूछनी नहीं. Means caste does not matter. What matter are action of individual. Is famous writing of Guru Nanak, Japuji, Aarti, Rahiram and 12 Ma. And by organizing Sikhism, Nanak made his place in the world reformers and social reformers. The task of clarifying the teaching of Nanak Dev was done by his disciple Guru Angad. Now after that Guru Nanak, next is Sikh Guru, become the Guru Angad. And Guru Angad was the disciple of Guru Nanak Dev. Guru Angad was born in 1504 AD. His childhood name was Lehna, and Guru Nanak renamed him Angad. He was the disciple of Guru Nanak. He carried forward the work of Guru Nanak. He developed the Guru script and composed the Vani of Guru Nanak in the form of Guru Vani. He started the practice of Langar. He started the practice of Langar and established Mazhian. Mazhian means center of Satsang. He compiled the Guru Granth Sahib. Guru Granth Sahib is the holy book of Sikhism. Guru Angad died in 1552 on the bank of river Byas. After Guru Angad, next Guru was Guru Amar Das. Guru Amar Das was the disciple of Guru Angad and he became new Guru after the death of Guru Angad. He strictly implemented the Langar system and Mazhian practice. Langar system and Mazhian practice started by Guru Angad. He declared the Baisakhi as festival and opposed the system. Guru Amar Das was the first Guru who started the Baisakhi as a festival of Sikhism and he opposed the Sati system. Emperor Akbar come to visit him at the place named Govindwal. Govindwal place is considered as a pilgrimage. Pilgrimage means religious place due to Guru Amar Das. He divided Sikh Sangat area into 22 preaching center or manjis. Manjis means center of satsang. Each under were charge of a devot Sikh. He also trained 140 apostles, of which 52 were women to manage the rapid expansion of religion. Means he trained 140 his disciple, in which 52 were women, and the work of these apostles is rapid expansion of the Sikhism. He strengthened the tradition of Guru Ka Langar. He strengthened the tradition of Guru Ka Langar and made it compulsory for the visitor. And when we going in the Gurudwara, in first the member of Gurudwara give us some meal, and after that we pray in the front of God. So this tradition was started by Guru Amar Das. He started the tradition of Guru Ka Langar and made it compulsory for the visitor to the Guru to eat first, saying that first the Langar, then Guru. Guru Amar Das introduced new birth, marriage and death ceremonies. He raised the status of women and protect the right of women. Means he raised the status of women and protect the right of women or female infant who were killed without any question, as they were deemed to have no status. And he fixed 3 Guru Parva for 6 celebrations: Diwali, Baisakhi and Maghi. He was the supporter of widow remarriage. After Guru Amar Das, next ruler became Guru Ramdas. Guru Ramdas increased the number of religious center. He built a hug pond on 500 biga of land. This pond is known as Amritsar, and Amritsar is the prominent Sikh place. After it, Akbar abolished tax on Haridwar Yatra on request of Guru Ramdas. Means Akbar and the relation of Akbar and Guru Ramdas was very initiate or very deeply. So on the request of Guru Ramdas, Akbar abolished tax on Haridwar Yatra. He maintained friendship with Akbar and increased the number of Sikh. He started the practice of Mansad. Mansad means charity for the poor. Now Guru was also known as the Sat Guru or Sacha Padshah. Sacha Padshah means true emperor. After that, Guru Ramdas, Guru Arjan Dev became the fifth Sikh Guru. He was the fifth Guru Arjan Dev. He was the fifth Sikh Guru. He proved to be real organizer of Sikhism. Jahangir gave death sentence to him because he had blessed his rebel Khusro. Means Guru Arjan Dev helped Jahangir's son Khusro when Khusro rebelled against his father for the succession. So Guru Arjan Dev helped Khusro, and in this term Jahangir gave death sentence to Guru Arjan Dev. Guru Arjan Dev martyrdom was a landmark incident in the history of Sikhism. This event converted the peaceful Sikh into ferocious or cruel warriors. Now Sikh become organized military arrangement. Sikh now got transferred into military organization. He compiled the Adil Granth. Next, Guru Hargobind Singh. Hargobind Singh, he is the son of Guru Arjan Dev. He was the son of Guru Arjan Dev and became sixth Sikh Guru. After the Arjan Dev, the post of Guru become the hereditary. Means after father, each son become the new Guru. He was the son of Guru Arjan Dev and become sixth Sikh Guru. He adopted two swords in place of Sally before the Guru Hargobind Singh. All Sikh Guru wear woolen necklace, and in the place of Sally, he started two sword. First is Piri. Piri means religious power, is the symbol of religious power, and another sword was the symbol of Miri. Miri was the symbol of political power. He started to concept arms and ammunitions as a gift in place of money. After the death of Guru Arjan Dev, Guru Hargobind Singh started to accept arms. Arms means weapon, ammunitions, as a gift in place of money, because Jahangir gave death sentence to his father and he wanted to revenge from the Jahangir. So he told the people, he asked the people, they gave as arms and ammunitions in the place of money. Jahangir, he built Akal Takht near Harmandir in 1699. Jahangir tried to collect Guru Arjan Dev financial due from Guru Hargobind Singh, but he refused to pay fine and he was sent to jail in Gwalior fort. Guru Hargobind Singh started the process of militarization of Sikhism. After Guru Hargobind Singh, Guru Har Rai, Guru Hari Krishna and Guru Tegh Bahadur become new Guru. Guru Tegh Bahadur. When Guru Tegh Bahadur refused to accept Islam, Aurangzeb ordered for his execution by chopping his head. Means Aurangzeb wanted to expand Muslim empire and he wanted to convert Hindu people into Muslim. So Guru Tegh Bahadur did not accept Islam and Aurangzeb ordered for his execution by chopping his head. It has been written for him that he gave off his head but not his religion. In Chandni Chowk, Delhi, his memorial is renowned as Sheesh Ganj Gurudwara. Sheesh Ganj Gurudwara. So I hope you understand about the Guru Nanak Dev, Guru Amar Das, Guru Angad, Guru Ramdas, Guru Arjan Dev and Guru Tegh Bahadur. So thank you. Have a nice day. Stay blessed. Stay safe.